My name is Matthias. I am the coach of the Equinux team. And so far, you guys have heard everything about saving patients in hospitals and saving firefighters and so on. We are a bit more selfish. We want to save ourselves, mainly developers. So most of you are going to be saved by our product. And what we mainly want to do is just make a product that will allow you guys to deploy an app to every single device that Apple has made instantly. And that way, actually provide an app for Apple TV, for iOS, and who knows, maybe the future will include some more. So I think I will spoil for you guys. I'm just going to let them speak about it. So Jenny, they're all yours.
Hello, my name is Jenny. I would like to present to you our app. Yeah, exactly. So we are the team from Equinux. We developed the app which is called Magic Stream. And yeah, I'll just dive right in. This is our team. This is Adrian and Kai, which Kai is maybe here today. But yeah, and our project leader and our team coach, and our amazing 6 developers that have worked for the last 3 months to make this possible. Yeah, so for our app, it's actually a very simple app. We have a client, which is the TV Pro Mediathek, and it is basically displayed on the TV. And
Stop.
in this
Step aside.
What
we
is
need this
happening?
room now. We have an emergency meeting. So, team, maybe you remember we have developed TV Pro Mediathek for Apple TV, the app for tvOS.
Yeah.
It's an Apple TV app where we can browse different genres, categories, and TV shows from German broadcast providers. Let's, for example, take Tatort, where you can select other categories and see the participating ad class. So we have to do this in 6 weeks for iOS now.
What? You know what this means? I mean, our TV app was written in TVML, and iOS apps are written in native Swift code. I mean, we are going to have to begin all from the beginning.
Whoa. The TV Apple app, it works on it comes from our servers, but for iOS, it should be shipped through the Apple Store, so we cannot change everything on the fly.
Yeah.
It seems impossible. Have you thought about the user interface? TVs are widescreen and phone support that. We would have to design a completely new user interface for this.
Yeah, okay, guys, I know this. There are a lot of problems, I know. But you're smart in developers. So, Bertrand, how many people do we need?
We need at least 10 people for that.
10? Are you nuts? We have not even much money for that.
I mean, it's impossible to make it with 10 people. I mean,
Right.
there's this TVJS stuff, We have to figure out many things.
Oh, and by the way, we need it by next week.
What? I mean, it's
that's
impossible,
impossible.
even with 10 people.
forget
I
it.
mean, we need at least 20 people for that.
No chance.
I mean,
It's a bird.
it's a plane.
It's Superman!
Superman. Have you come to rescue a child from a burning building?
Or is the criminal hiding among us?
No, actually I've come for a much greater issue. Your problem, it needs to be solved immediately.
Superman, can you do that for us?
I can and I will. And stop calling me Superman. This is just, your shouting woke me up and these are my pajamas actually. But yeah, you have your client, right? TV Pro Mediathek, was it? It gets rendered to the Apple TV. But actually it's not built and compiled for the Apple TV. It's just calculated and put together on the tvOS, on your app repository, and the client just fetches it and then executes it. So technically, it's completely device independent. So we at Equinux have developed a solution for you that will solve your problem and bring your project to iOS. Just follow me.
Are we going?
Actually, just back to the table. I just wanted to say, follow me.
Just beside me.
So, what I have here is an empty project with just Magic Stream installed. So what I need to do now is just give over the control of the app to Magic Stream, and everything will be sorted for you. I just need your two URLs. So there's the base URL, if you recall correctly, which we need to fetch all the content and the resources on the templates, and then the app URL, which is the starting point of your application. So do you have them ready anywhere?
Well, luckily, we already have them on the clipboard.
Oh, really? How convenient.
Yeah.
All right. So I just need to create the launch options first, which is just a value, a dictionary with the base URL set to your base URL. That's it. Then I create the launch context, which is an instance of TVML application controller context. Long word, I know. So I pass in the application URL, and then I pass in the launch options for that. And then I just need to pass that one into TVML applications, create TVML application, pass in the context here, and I'm ready to go. I can already start the app.
Really?
That's amazing.
That's it. Takes a while to load, though.
Well, our TV app has 25,000 lines of JavaScript code.
Really?
Yeah.
What does it do anyway?
Well, TV Pro searches for you the latest contents from various media libraries. And it has also several clips of different kinds. And if you like to watch one of them, all you have to do is tap on this picture.
That actually seems
And
really
it
cool.
goes. Yeah. Wait, what? It worked.
That's great.
Wow,
incredible.
Really great.
Yeah, it looks amazing.
The iPhone interface seems to be working great. But what about the iPad?
Let's just try it out.
Yeah, let's try it out.
I'd be really surprised if it works out as well.
Yeah, me too.
Wow,
Wow.
it worked. I mean, it looks just as it was on iPhone, right?
Yeah, and the shelf used the complete width of the device. And the animations are smooth too.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just go to another tab, see if it's working.
I mean, it seems,
Incredible.
Incredible.
yeah,
That's
it's
amazing.
quite good. I mean, let's try another one. And wow,
Click on something.
yeah.
Wow, there's
Whoa,
actually a
there it
Pikachu.
is. Yeah.
We should really go there next year to catch
So,
it.
Yeah, maybe our CEO should buy us some tickets for the next festival.
I won't waste money for headbanging developers. So, where's Superman? I will hire him. He's gone.
Well, at least, yeah, our job is done. I think
we can go on a vacation, right?
Yeah.
No, you can go back to work now. So, Jenny, you can have your room back.
Well, at least I've tried.
Okay, so half of my work was done actually. I would maybe explain to you what are the requirements to actually use this app, which is pretty simple. You just have two simple steps. So the first step would be just to type your URL. So for that you need one. And there's basically no step two because the app completely works alone from there. And the app has an intuitive and appealing UI. And it is reusable for every device and for every app that you would like to launch. So that's it. And so what did we achieve in the last semester? So we were 6 developers. We've created all the required templates, so all the screens that you see for the TV Pro Mediathek, for the app, that was actually our goal. So every time you see a screen of the Apple TV, we adapted it to look good for your iOS device as well. The next thing we achieved was all the required TVJS functions, so JavaScript, which is basically, for example, your player to watch your video and your playlist, so which would be a list of all the videos that you would like to watch, and your media items with all the information around it, so the actors, the genre, and so on. And the navigation logic, so which is the interaction of the user with the app. Another thing that you just saw would be a feature that it is very easy to just type a URL into your app and it will run it, so any Apple TV app that you would like. The network connection, so that you can fetch from remote repositories. And yeah, so what is the future of this project? For now, what we adapted was just for the TV Pro Mediathek, so just for this specific app, but TVML has so much more to offer. And this is basically would be the future, so that other apps could use it. For example, to work on other templates that were not included in this specific app, or to work on the rest of the TVJS. So, for example, to explore the things that you can actually use on your phone, for example, a keyboard or something that is not available on Apple TV, or the W3C DOM. So that you can actually move your or change your app while you're using, so at runtime. So this would be the goals actually for the future. Yeah, and that was basically it. That was our app. So if maybe the customer would have any questions, I know that Martin is there somewhere.
So congratulations on reaching that milestone. So thank you for your hard work. It was a real pleasure to see everything come together at the end. Your great framework and code, Magic Stream, and our content. And you really impressed our management and also our engineering team. And we would love to make this framework production ready to have our app in the App Store on iOS with this technology, and probably further apps. So thank you.
Okay, so thank you very much.